Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A4 B6 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal kit and a set of Torx screwdrivers. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic trim piece situated above the interior door handle. Once this trim is removed, you will expose 2 Torx screws. Carefully unscrew these to prepare for the next steps. This initial process is crucial for a smooth removal. Next, you'll need to address the electrical components. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector attached to the window switch assembly. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. Then, locate and remove the single screw that secures the door handle surround. With that screw out, you can gently pull the entire door handle assembly away from the main door panel. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or wires. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Quick recommendation: for all your car manuals or just a great read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in your garage while working on your Audi. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the main panel removal. Using your trim removal tool, carefully work your way around the entire edge of the door panel, gently prying to release all the retaining clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action disengages it from the window channel at the top. Finally, before completely separating the panel, disconnect any last electrical connectors and the door release cable. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.